Okay guys, this is my customer, Andrew, and he's gonna give you a little testimony about his experience with Dreamedia.
Yeah, I mean, it was really good. The best prices that I've seen and really fast shipping as well. The install was really good, really friendly, really fast, got it done in one day. And did everything. They installed these overheads, they mounted this on the wall, got my projector screen up, calibrated it, got the remote all set up all in one day, and it was actually really cheap. So compared to other competitors, let me use my own equipment, didn't pressure me into buying. Like I'd asked for recommendations, but wasn't pushy, saying like use this. Like these subwoofers I got on my own, this projector screen I got on my own, but they were more than happy to work with me even though it wasn't their equipment. But yeah, highly recommended. I thought it was an awesome experience, and if I have any more, they might be doing some sound treatment for me as well. I'll be going back to them again for anything in the future. And yeah, they even said like if there's anything wrong, just give them a call. They'll come back out as quick as they can, fix it. Just an awesome experience. So I was pretty happy.
Awesome. Well, I appreciate it, Andrew. It really means the world to us. Like he said, we do not only guarantee the lowest prices, but we really are striving to give you guys the absolute best experience, which is why I'm growing our installer network. I appreciate y'all's support. If you're not a subscriber, smash the subscribe button and give me a big thumbs up. Thanks for watching, guys.